pop 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 pop
pop pop. Hello everyone, welcome to Monster TV。大家好，欢迎观看我们的视频。你们相信有辣的爆米花吗
？Yes, spicy and salty popcorn.
还有咸的，还有辣的爆米花。
My favorite is butter popcorn. Your favorite?
My favorite is sweet popcorn. 我爸爸呀
I like salty.
你看我爸爸，很多天都喜欢吃爆米花。
Today we're going to make some popcorn.
Pop 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 pop.
Are you ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready for this. Let's go.
So, to do our popcorn, we're gonna use yellow paper.
No.
We're gonna use some tissues.
The tissue.
And we're gonna use
Color.
some colors. Yeah, of course, we're gonna use scissors and brushes and markers. Okay? Paint. So then we're gonna paint the stripes. Let me show you how. You wet just the tip, okay? And we're gonna go a red stripe.
Oh, ready, like can I paint more?
Yeah.
Let me take off some color, a lot. Okay?
That's good. Okay. Now we're going to cut it.
Okay, let's cut it.
Okay. Beautiful. Now we're gonna glue it on the paper. What we're gonna do?
We're gonna do
Pop, 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 pop.
oh 爆米花，花花pop pop.
We're gonna start rolling
pop pop pop.
popcorns.
我们得撕成。
We're gonna make balls.
哦对，颜色
See?
呢？绕。
We're gonna make it tight.
迷你小球儿，
See?
我的爆米花。
Wow, very good. Tight. We're gonna make a lot. Now that we have our glue roll, look at this. We're going pop, 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 for popcorn. Now we're gonna take the brush and we're gonna paint the popcorn yellow. Yeah. Just tip, look at this. Like this.
But I think we cannot put all yellow because popcorn also have white color and yellow color.
Yeah, it can be white and yellow. It's not all yellow.
I know. 焦糖。
This is just one touch, look. In the middle. Like this. We don't dip too much, just the tip.
焦糖可能这个跟逼真更像一点。
Very good. Now, you see how delicious it looks?
Look mine.
We're gonna do with white paper.
Yeah, white
We're
paper.
gonna do the sign. We're gonna write the
Popcorn.
word popcorn.
Popcorn. No. Okay. 谢谢。
Yeah?
I'm gonna write popcorn.
Popcorn. And we're gonna cut it. Watermelon. That's crazy. And then we put glue. See, Julian, look at my popcorn.
Oh, it's cool.
Now with a black marker, I can put some lines here. Okay, ready?
Yeah, we finished the popcorn.
Pop, 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 pop.
Pop pop pop！你看，这些都是跳出来的爆米花。
Julian! Stop eating popcorn! So guys, this is our
你
popcorn.
看，这就是我们的爆米花。
It looks so real.
你知道为什么这里的爆米花都在这里吗？你知道是不是爆米花等你再这样烤的时候啊，会那样？
This popcorn is salty or sweet?
Chocolate，巧克力。
This popcorn has butter and salt.
I finish everything.
So after you make your popcorn, you can just watch a movie or go to the park.
Yeah, when you go to the park or to watch movie， 你们去公园的时候，以及看电影的时候，都可以带上你的爆米花。
So we hope you enjoy this project.
我们希望你喜欢我们这个视频。那我们下期再见吧，
Enjoy your popcorn.
拜拜。
Bye bye.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.